Welcome to Adelaide, where the local time is 8:39. As the seatbelt sign still on, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. If you can reach your mobile phone, you may turn off flight mode now. Today we'll be exiting via forward left-hand door. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Just a reminder, carry-on baggage might have moved in overhead lockers and could fall out, so please take care. Don't forget to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. Remember to take all masks or wipes off the aircraft and place within general waste bins within a terminal. Once the seatbelt signs off where possible, please maintain appropriate distance between yourself and